Welcome to my ebook, at least information about my ebooks. It's going to be short and sweet. This is basically how I used Facebook to go from broke, one step away from being homeless, to declaring financial freedom and independence just 2.5 years later. We must all learn to grow from wherever it is that we've been planted. It doesn't matter if you are completely homeless, destitute, if you're one step away from being homeless, if you're just making ends meet, if you're doing a little bit better than making ends meet, if you're a thousandaire, a hundredaire, a millionaire, a billionaire, you've got to learn to grow from where it is that you've been planted. Be faithful with what you've been given, even if it's just a heartbeat and some just pure raw desire for what you want. If that's all you've been given, that's enough. If you've got a little bit more than that, that's more than enough. That's the key. And the vehicle that I used, I got into a home-based business, and 2.5 years into it, using Facebook, and the first, I don't know, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 months or something like, or maybe the first year, I wasn't even on Facebook yet, truth be told. So it's more like the last year, year and a half of that first 2.5 years is where I did most of my work that led to me being financially free from a place of broke, jobless, no income whatsoever. We were in the midst of a recession. My parents were dying, and there was nothing good about the timing. I did not have luck on my side. I didn't have anything on my side except a good heartbeat and just pure old-fashioned desire. I had a lot of desire, and I embraced personal development, which is what this book is. It's a source of personal development. But it's not a feel-good book. In fact, there's going to be some people that read this, I guarantee you, they're going to be so offended, they're going to send me hate mail about how I was so offensive. And that's okay. Because I'm not here to please everybody. I'm not here to impress anyone. And if I worried about impressing anybody, then there's no way I would be able to write a book like this and be able to tell people what they need to hear so that they can make the changes that they will need to make to begin getting what they want. More of the things that they want and less of the things that they don't want, and more peace in their lives. There's no way I'd be able to say what I have to say to help people get that if I were to worry about not offending anybody or trying to impress anyone. And that's just the way it is. That's reality. So this book, I am not taking any profits from it whatsoever. You will have to pay a whole whopping $5 for it. This $5 is going to go toward feeding starving kids. It's going to go towards taking care of orphans. It's going to go towards taking care of some older people whose kids have forsaken them. That's where this money is going to go. My charity of choice that I'm going to help out is going to be King's Ransom. The reason why I picked them, I'll tell you what it's not. It's not because they're faith-based. That is not why I picked them. I picked King's Ransom because every dollar, every penny that they receive goes towards their causes of feeding starving people and so on. None of it is administrative or overhead or any of that stuff. That's all covered for by their corporate sponsors and things like that. But the money that I'm going to donate to them, the money that you're going to donate to them by buying my book for $5, all of that money is going to go to them. They are not profiting anything from that. It's not going towards any overhead. It's all going to help those people that need the help. And I'm not taking anything. They're not taking anything. Just PayPal is. PayPal is going to take something like 2 or 3% for their processing fees and all that, which is fine. That's fair. It costs money to process that. So it'll be more like $4.90 something, I think, that'll eventually go to them out of that $5. So you're cool with that. I'm cool with that. You better be cool with that. It's gonna help a lot of people get a lot of things that they need just to survive and not even thrive like you and I can do. These people need to eat, and they also need medical care, and they just need a lot. They need a lot of our resources. But thankfully, over in those parts of the world, something like a quarter can feed a person a meal. It's pretty incredible. A dollar can feed a person for an entire day over there. It's incredible. So if I raise thousands of dollars and millions of dollars, that's going to put a good-sized dent in filling a need that desperately needs to be filled, and far fewer people are going to die. That's a pretty cool thing. So this is one of my ways in which I am giving back. I'm also making you guys and girls pay at least just $5 to get this because it turns me on when I meet people who not only want to help themselves, but they want to help other people in the process. That really truly turns me on. I don't like it when people just want to help themselves and that's all they ever get good at is just helping only themselves. I think that's lame. I think it's not good. So I hope you guys are, I know that a lot of people are going to hear that and, you're going to be right on board with me. And there might be a few people that hear that go, oh, what do I care about those people over there, blah, blah. Then I guess this isn't for you. But here's what you're going to get with that $5 in that book. Like I said in the beginning of this video, you are going to learn what I did on Facebook. It doesn't matter what business you own. If it's a home-based business, I don't care what industry it is, this is going to help you. It's going to help you not only grow it, but explode it. And it doesn't matter what the economy is doing. I did it in the midst of a recession, and I had no luck or time or scenario that was on my side for it. All I had was a good heartbeat and a whole ton of desire. Man, that was it. So I've paid very close attention. I have made more mistakes than I can count. I've made so many key blunders I couldn't even begin to tell you about them all. But I paid attention, I took notes, I learned what not to do, I learned what to do, and now I've blazed a trail for you. So I mean, you can go out there on your own and take years, make mistakes with money. You can spend, waste all kinds of money and time and frustration and all this, or you can help yourself along by getting this book for only $5. It's only 58 pages long. I didn't want to ramble on about nothing that isn't going to help you just for the sake of making more pages. This is a very short, very easy, comprehensive read. It's backed by philosophy, the mindset, and getting you to think right, and I've also got a plan of action. Towards the end of the book, there's actual sequential steps, a checklist of things that you check off for, one-time setup kind of stuff, a daily checklist, a weekly, a monthly, everything to keep you on track, on par, on time, and growing your home-based business for whatever the reason is that you even got into it to begin with. I don't know what it was, but I hope you do. I hope you wrote it down. And I hope that your reasons for doing what you're doing are greater than any struggle, any setback, any wrench that's going to be thrown in your path. Because if it isn't, you're cooked. It's over before you even get started. So have that why you're doing what you're doing in the forefront of your brain. Get your $5 out. Get this book, feed starving people, and grow your business. You've got a business to build and people to serve, don't you? Let's get on it.